bite. Nope. Welcome back to Sawyer Farm. I'm Jacob. Today we got Moses here, and we're just going to kind of take you around and show you somewhat what his morning routine is, and just kind of how we've been kind of training them and getting them used to the animals, and just kind of a little bit of the training that we do with them. He's really excited this morning, but we'll just kind of take you around and just show you kind of what we've been doing with them, just a little bit more in detailed right now. Alright, so kind of the first little training aspect is here at the shop. Now this is where we keep a lot of the feed, and where we go in for the rabbits feed and everything. I don't like animals going into the shop. Our other dogs, we train them not to do it. And it's not so much we don't want them peeing and pooping in there. It's because there is like rat poison in there that I have around the shop, and so I don't want them coming in there. I don't want them thinking that they can come in there at any time. Now we do keep this closed most of the time, but you know, I'm working and sometimes I come out, and I just want to make sure that the animals know that they cannot go in there. He's been doing a decent job on it, but you know, it's just something we do every day, just so he knows if he ever is around here that he cannot cross this barrier right here. So that's what we're going to be trying to train on right now. Good boy. Good boy, Moses. Good boy. Moses, sit. Good boy. You're a good boy. You know that? Yes. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. No. Good boy. Good boy.
Sit. Moses, sit. Good boy. Good boy. Moses, sit. Good boy. No. No. Sit. Good boy.
Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, you are. Yeah. All right, so you can tell, you know, he's very smart, and so we've been doing this, and you can tell he is kind of staying, but you know, he's still learning. He still wants to come in, but you can tell that he's definitely starting to pick up on, you know, I'm not supposed to cross this line, 'cause you know, they're telling me not to. So that's why we just keep doing it. He's still in a work in progress, of course. This is going to be a while, but he is showing very good signs of obedience, and we're really liking that. So now the next thing we do, we got the rabbit feed, we got the water, and we're going to go over and kind of just put them around the rabbits, and we'll talk to you a little bit more about that. Come here, boy. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. You're a good boy, you know that? Want some water? All right, so over here with the rabbits, what we like to do is we keep the leash on them and we just kind of let them walk around. We want him to get used to the rabbits, just seeing them, and he's showing very good temperament on them. He's not barking at them, going crazy, and that's what we do not want. And we want him to be used to them because rabbits are very sensitive. If a dog, because we've had this happen before, a dog comes up and starts barking or just stressing the rabbits out, they'll die. They die of a heart attack. So we want him to be used to them to where he's not thinking, oh, this is some toy or something new that I can play with, and so he starts jumping around and barking. So he's showing good signs of that right now, of not doing that. And also kind of just want the rabbits to somewhat see him and realize that, hey, this is a new person, new animal on the farm. He may be around here, so they're not as shocked if they see him. So it's kind of a little bit of a both thing. We want the rabbits to somewhat know that he's here, and definitely for him to realize that these are part of the farm, and so he doesn't try to play with them and attack them, because that will cause a heart attack for the rabbits, and you could literally almost lose your whole entire rabbit tree just in like an evening of that happening. So that's kind of how we do it here, and he's showing very good signs, and we're very happy right now. We know we gotta just keep moving forward and keep doing the same stuff that we're doing and not get lazy about it. But now we're gonna kind of take him over to the chickens. Come on, boy. Yeah, come on. There you go. Come here. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. All right, so we are gonna let out our chickens, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna stick him in the run. He's gonna be in there kind of by himself. He's still gonna have the leash on him, so if we need to get in there quickly and like step on the leash or what have you, so he'll be in there. We'll let the chickens out, and we just like to see how he reacts to them, because when the chickens come out, they come out full bore, and usually that's what I see with some dogs, is when the chickens start kind of running around real fast, that's when they feel like, hey, let's, I want to run too. And so it's a good kind of training aspect of it. Come here, boy. So he probably will be whining in here. This is not something he likes. He doesn't like to be in this pen, but it's just something we got to do. So he will be whining a little bit, but we'll just kind of show you what we're looking at. All right, so you can tell Moses is doing pretty good. We like to just sit here and watch him and just kind of see how he reacts every time in the morning. You can tell he's definitely interested in him, that's for sure, but he's not chasing after him or barking at him. Now what I like to do is we're gonna go off and hide where he doesn't see us, but we'll keep peeking in on him and seeing how he reacts when he doesn't see us. That's what we're gonna do right now. He's over here now. So he's doing pretty good while in the run. Now we're gonna open the gate, and usually these chickens will run out and they'll just take off this way. So we're gonna put him over here just to see if when they're kind of running at him, and just see how he reacts. And I'll be holding on to him so then I can correct him immediately if he starts to show any type of aggression towards them. So we're gonna see how this pans out. Good boy. Nope. Good boy. So over here at the rabbit tractors, we want him to get used to these tractors and the rabbits in them, because you never know. We don't know exactly where he can be at all. He may not always be in those pens. We may have, you know, goats in this area, and we want him to be with the goats, and just we want him to be familiar with everything that we have. So wherever he's going to be at, he knows what needs to be here and what doesn't need to be here. So he just comes over and kind of sniffs around the tractors, and it's just kind of crazy. He's still a puppy, but he's showing really good just behavioral instincts with all these animals. Moses, come on, boy, come on. Yeah, good boy, good boy, good boy. Yep. All right, so we got Moses back in here in the goat pen. This is where the pigs are at. We have him in here full time now. He stays in here. That what we kind of showed you is his kind of morning routine. We always want to give him as much experience with the animals, because one of the key things that I've been reading is when you have a puppy, the kind of imprinting stage is, you know, pretty much from whenever they're kind of born to 16 weeks is when you really want them to be around the animals. It's a really crucial time in their life, is up to 16 weeks. And so we're trying to hit it hard right now with the animals. We're not doing too much. He was, you know, panting, and we were giving him some water. It is hot out here, so that's why we brought him in here. Like we said, we only do this in the morning, and we do other things with them, but we usually wait till the evening, or we wait the next day and do something, because we don't want to do too much, because he still is a little puppy, and we still, you know, account for that. But and he's going to be safe in here, guys, and I just want to let you know that I have trapped 4 raccoons since the incident, and on my camera, whenever I saw how many, there was 4. Now I know there's probably more, of course, but I think we probably put at least a decent hit on them to where they're probably not going to come back for a while. So I think he's completely safe out here. He's closer to the house than over in the other field, and that's why we want him in this field right now, because we can keep an eye on him better, and I think he's a lot safer in this pasture. But that's kind of what we're doing right now with them. If you guys got any comments, put them down in the comments and let us know. You know, if any of y'all are dog trainers and have real, you know, life experience with this, put it down there. If you're not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. And we want to just thank everybody that came over from Daniel Arms Family Homestead. They're, you know, new subscribers right now. We really do appreciate y'all coming over and just supporting our channel, and we really hope you enjoy our channel with all the videos that we put out. Hit that bell for notifications, because that notifies you of new videos that come out, and we try to post very frequently. But guys, as always, take care and God bless.